Hi everyone, this tablet is Neurobion forte, which contains an optimal combination of nerve nourishing B vitamins like B1, B6, and B12 to provide relief from neuropathy symptoms, reduce nerve damage, and regenerate the nerves with proper diet and exercise. So, if you are on any other medication, you should tell the doctor to prevent any drug interaction. This tablet may have interaction with an anti-tuberculosis agent, amino acid, heavy metal antagonist, a vasodilator, diuretic. So you should be very careful. This tablet treats vitamin B complex deficiency and maintains a healthy level of vitamins and aids in overall health of bones, joints and cartilage, making it useful in the treatment of arthritis. It also reduces neuropathic pain. Use it in the dose and duration as prescribed by your doctor and do not exceed the recommended dose. Subscribe for more such videos.